Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson number 52 is about how to save energy and how to use electricity wisely. Energy is very important in our daily lives. It powers our homes, schools, gadgets, and many machines that make life easier. But energy is unlimited, and producing electricity often uses natural resources that can harm the environment. That's why learning how to save energy and use electricity wisely is essential. Why save energy? Reduce bills. Using less electricity means lower monthly bills. Protect the environment. Less energy use means fewer greenhouse gases and pollution. Conserve resources. Many electricity sources come from fossil fuels, which are limited. Saving energy helps reserve these resources for the future. Ways to save energy at home and school. Number 1. Turn off lights and devices when not in use. Don't leave gadgets or lights on if you're not using them. Number 2. Use energy efficient appliances, LED bulbs, energy saving fans, and refrigerators. Use less electricity. Number 3, unplug chargers and devices. Even when turned off, plug-in devices can consume energy called phantom load. Number 4, use natural light and ventilation. Open windows during the day instead of turning on lights or air conditioning. Number 5, set appliances wisely. For example, set the air conditioner to a moderate temperature like 25 degrees centigrade instead of very cold. Number 6, batch tasks together. For example, do laundry or ironing in one go to reduce energy use. Number 3, repairing broken equipment to prevent extra energy consumption. Number 4, being mindful of your daily habits and making small changes that add up. Using electricity wisely means planning your activities to reduce peak electricity use. Number 2, using appliances efficiently without waste. By saving energy and using electricity wisely, you help your family save money, reduce environmental harm, and contribute to a sustainable future for everyone. Understanding energy consumption. Every electrical device has a power rating in watts, which shows how much energy it uses per unit time. For example, a 100-watt bulb uses more electricity than a 10-watt LED bulb. The longer you use a device, the more electricity it consumes. So turning devices off when not needed can save a lot of energy. Common energy wasters: leaving lights or fans on an empty rooms, keeping chargers plugged in all the time, even when devices are fully charged or not connected, using old or inefficient appliances that consume more power, overcooling rooms with air conditioners set to very low temperatures. Benefits of energy efficiency. Using energy efficient appliances saves electricity without sacrificing performance. For example, LED bulbs use about 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs but produce the same amount of light. Energy efficient appliances often last longer, reducing replacement costs. Role of renewable energy: using solar panels, wind turbines, or other renewable sources can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower electricity costs in the long run. Supporting renewable energy encourages cleaner and more sustainable power generation. Tips for schools and communities: encourage switching off lights and electronics when rooms are not in use. Install energy efficient lighting and appliances in school buildings. Conduct awareness campaigns to teach everyone about the importance of saving energy. Use timers or motion sensors for lighting in hallways and restrooms. Why small actions matter? When many people save energy, the total impact can reduce the need for building new power plants. It also helps lower greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to climate change. Saving energy protects the environment, saves energy, and promotes sustainable living. Formula for saving energy and using electricity wisely. Electrical energy consumption. Energy in kilowatt hour is equal to the power in watts times the time in hours multiplied by 1,000. This formula calculates the electrical energy used by an appliance and the cost of electricity, energy consumed in kilowatt hour multiplied by the rate in terms of pesos per kilowatt hour. This calculates the cost of electricity use. Number 3, power. Power in watts is equal to voltage in terms of volts times current in terms of ampere. This formula helps find the power rating of an electrical device. Number 4, energy savings. Energy saved in kilowatt hour is equal to the energy before saving minus energy after saving. Number 5, efficiency of appliance. Efficiency is equal to the useful energy output divided by the total energy input times 100%. These formulas help students understand how to calculate energy usage, costs, and savings, encouraging wise electricity use and energy conservation. Okay, practice problems. Number 1. A 150 watt light bulb is used for 6 hours a day. Calculate the energy consumed in kilowatt hour after 30 days. So given power is 150 watts, converting it to kilowatt, it is now 0.150. And then time per day, 6 hours, days 30. Required energy consumed in kilowatt hour. Solution, the energy is equal to the power times the time times the day. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 27 kilowatt hour. Number 2, an electric fan rated at 75 watts runs for 8 hours daily. How much energy does it consume in 1 month, which is equivalent to 30 days? So given power, 75 watts, which is equivalent to 0.075 kilowatt, time per day, 8 hours, days, 30, required energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So use the formula, the energy is equals to power times the time times the number of days. And the final answer is 18 kilowatt hour. Number 3, if the electricity rate is 12 pesos per kilowatt hour, how much does it cost to run a 200 watt television for 5 hours daily for 20 days? Given power 200 watt, and that is equals to 0.2 kilowatt. Time per day 5 hours, days 20, rate 12 pesos per kilowatt hour, required the cost. Okay, compute first for the energy, that is power times the time times the number of days. Substitute the given data, the calculated value is 20 kilowatt, and the cost is the energy consumption multiplied with the rate. So 20 kilowatt hour times 12 pesos per kilowatt hour, the final answer is 240 pesos. Number 4, a household replaces 560 incandescent bulbs with 5 10-watt LED bulbs, all use 4 hours daily. Calculate the monthly energy savings in kilowatt hour. The old total power is 5 times 60 watts, equivalent to 300 watts, and that is in terms of kilowatt, 0.3 kilowatt. And then the new total power, 5 times 10 watts, that's 50 watts, and converting it to kilowatt, that's 0.05. The time per day is 4 hours, days 30. Required energy savings in kilowatt hour. Solution, all energy is equal to the power consumption multiplied by the time and the days, the substitute the given data, that's 36 kilowatt per hour. The new energy consumption equal to the power times the number of days, substitute the given data, the answer is 6 kilowatt per hour. And the savings is equal to the old energy minus new energy consumption. Substitute the given data, 36 minus 6, the answer is 30 kilowatts. So that is the final answer. 30 kilowatt hour is saved. So we will have the part 2 of this lesson number 52. Thank you and see you in the part 2 of this lesson number 52.